Es triste hasta que me muera. Siento como si me hubieran arrancado el corazón.
Travel safe.
What do you want?
I need your help.
Come in. If someone sees you, we both will die. Coming back here is so dangerous. Did you find her?
She's dead.
I'm sorry. Really, I know how you feel. But coming back was dangerous. Why are you here?
I want to find the thin one.
No,
The one that cut her.
no,
The one that cut me.
I will not help you again.
You have to.
Why do I have to? What will it change? Nothing. We grieve and move on.
And you've done that.
I mean, I think of her every day. Every freaking day. But we have to move on.
What if you can't move on? What if you can't move on?
But you have to. We have no choice. What's done is done.
Why is it done? How was it ever done? When I look at something so innocent, and I see that face never have life in it again, how is it ever done? I want revenge. I want them to know that death is coming. And there's nothing they can do to stop it. I want them to feel our grief and know that's the last thing they will ever feel. And I know you want it too.